Hi, my name is Denise, and today we're going to be making chocolate orange scones. And on behalf of Expert Village, welcome. Now that we've made our zest, we'll go ahead and add that to our dough now. Okay. We're also going to add half cup of chocolate chips. You could also add nuts instead, raisins, currants, anything your imagination can come up with, but I love chocolate. And we are going to mix this together. At this point, mixing by hand usually works best. Just going to knead all of this together, making sure we mix this thoroughly. Our orange zest and our chocolate chips thoroughly blended. Oops. All right, there we go.